How to work around visual sitemap feature in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, head over right here to this icon because this icon right here is the virtual or visual sitemap. Once you have clicked on that, it should be able to expand the actual sitemap into our actual website. And you can see in here all of the pages we have available. You can see right here the main pages. We have in here the home, privacy policy, and accessibility statement. So under the home, we have in here the sub pages like header, news updates, decorative, and the likes. Now, if you want to add a new page, just head over and click onto this add new page option right here. We also have others like store pages. We also have blog pages, member pages, event pages, and theme pages. So, for example, you can actually head over and then just select a particular part and then just put it wherever you want. Like, for example, you want to select a section on theme and you can actually just send them or move and disconnect it to another theme or the another page that we have right there. As you can see, this will disconnect that data set. So just head over and click onto this move and disconnect. And you should be able to actually send it or copy or move it into another page without just going over to the editor itself. You can just use this visual sitemap because it will make things easier. So that's how you work around visual sitemap feature in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.